Authentic Jamaican couples know that a healthy relationship needs commitment, and a willingness to be accommodating to each other's needs. So these are most of the rules they follow, to stay true and committed to each other. They give their significant other time and space, but they make sure to be there for one another, during trying situations. They do not watch, nor seek entertainment in excess, from things that is considered toxic to their psychological mind training, whether it be music or movies. They do not abuse their partners, nor cause stress, shame, nor disgrace, when they are facing financial difficulties, but instead, they try to work it out together, until he or she get back up on their feet. They focus on the good in their partners, and let them know that they appreciate the little things that they do. They focus on their mind and physical health. They don't take it personal if their significant other is not in the mood for adult fun, or chit-chatting. They know that sometimes people need time to think things over alone in their own heads. They stay away from reality TV programs that can stimulate fights and insecurities in a relationship. Why? Because they are smart enough to do so. They know when friends and/or acquaintances are trying to cause problems between them. They politely decline those people's toxic advice. They do not walk around and sleep with every woman, nor man who winks at them. Why? Because they have respect for their partners, and themselves, and also their own health. They do not let what they read on Tell Me Pastor Killam about other people's relationship affect their romance. They do not bring that drama in their bedrooms. They do not let friends, families, or outside companies influence them to cheat on their spouses, because they have a mind of their own and self-respect. They block movies, music videos, TV dramas, TV reality shows, and certain channels that brings stress and disagreements between them and their partners. They skillfully and carefully monitor certain programs, videos, and movies that can lead their children astray. They help to structure their minds, by helping them to separate fiction from reality. They sometimes pray together, to clean their space from evildoers, and witchcraft workers, or from those that send bad thoughts to them. They pray for house cleansing and peace of mind. They try to monitor their children's behavior, before it gets out of hand. Well brought up and mannered children, causes less trouble in their parents' relationships. They pick a day in each week, to switch off communications from outsiders, and spend alone time with their partners.